Good morning, students of class 6. Today we will do some spellings. Okay, today we will do some spellings. So today in spellings I will do with you suffixes and prefixes. I am sure you know what is suffix and prefix. Let us now go and do some revision. Okay, for those who are not so sure what it is, come let us do some revision which will help to increase our vocabulary and improve our spellings. So today we will do prefixes and suffixes. So what is a prefix? A prefix is a group of letters that you can add to the beginning of a root word to change the meaning of the word. For example, miss plus fortune turns misfortune. So when you add a group of letters to the beginning of the root word, like in this example, miss is added to fortune. So misfortune. So when it is added to the beginning of the root word, it is a prefix. Is it clear? Let us go to some examples. Prefix, root word, new word. Im. Polite is the root word. When you add im to the beginning, it turns impolite, meaning not polite. In. Root word, complete. You add in to complete, it turns incomplete, which means not complete. Then by plus cycle turns bicycle. Non plus stop, non-stop. Dis plus agree, disagree. Re plus use, reuse. So, how when we add the prefix to the root word, we get a new word. So, prefix is when we add it in the beginning to the root word. When we add letters in the beginning to the root word, that forms prefixes. Clear? Now, let us go to suffix. A suffix is a group of letters that you can add to the end of the root word to change the meaning of the root word. For example, paint plus ing turns painting. So suffix is a group of letters that you add to the end of the group word. To the end of the root word. So what is the root word here? Paint. Paint plus ing. We are adding the letters to the end. When you add it to the end of the root word, it turns suffix. Okay. A suffix is a group of words that you add to the end of a root word. So suffix is a group of letters that you add to the end of the root word. Like paint plus ing turns painting. Okay, let us come and see some more examples. S and es means more than one plural. Example, books, bags, chairs. Okay, these are all suffixes. Ing or ed words. Okay, like shows when something happened in the present, ing, or past, ed. Example, I am working, work plus ing, working, here now. Or I worked, work plus ed, worked, here last week. Then er or est means more or the most of something. Example, that drink was cold, was colder. So that drink was colder. Cold plus er, colder, meaning more cold. Or that was the coldest drink, coldest. Cold plus est, coldest. So letters are being added to the end. So these are all suffixes. Then full or less. Shows there is a lot of something. Okay. Shows there is a lot of something. Like hopeful, meaning a lot of hope. Hope plus full. Hopeful. Or none of something. Okay. Hope plus less, meaning hopeless, meaning no hope. So these are some examples of suffixes. I hope this is clear to you. That's all for today, students. I hope prefix and suffix is clear to you. Now, what you will write in your spelling copy is the examples, okay? Suffix examples, what is here? This table. Okay, and prefix example, that is this table. So you will do this table in your spelling copy as homework, and you will do this table in your spelling copy as homework. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Okay students, I hope you have understood this and what you have to do. I will see you in the next class. Thank you and bye.